Hi, welcome to video number 5 of how to use the Caltrans Hot Mix Asphalt Smoothness Adjustment Spreadsheet. So in the previous videos we populated the general input section of the HMA Smoothness Pavement Adjustment Spreadsheet, and then we also imported the existing inertial profile MRI data. We had not imported the baseline paver final profiles. Once we do, we'll see the information in these 3 columns get populated. So we had to import the existing IP profile in order to get the beginning station and the end station to populate with the first and last station of that from the DMI readings. So once that was completed, we have a complete file name. So we're going to go ahead and just click the Save File macro button now, and we'll go ahead and find the folder where we want to save it using File Explorer. And this macro automatically names the file, so we can see all the text here. This is what's required by our specs, and I'm picking the folder, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. Okay, I'll go to that folder, and we can see there's that spreadsheet that we saved with this new name. And here's the spreadsheet. It was the empty spreadsheet that we had populated, but we hadn't really saved it. So now we have this spreadsheet named, and we're going to go ahead and right click on it, and we'll go to properties, and we can go ahead and just copy the prefix portion of the name, Control C, and we're going to go back to our ProVal project file. This is the ProVal project file where we imported the existing baseline pave and final, and we hadn't saved this file name, and the specs require us to save it using the same naming method that we used for the spreadsheet. So we're going to go ahead and click File, Save As, and we have the file name on our clipboard. We're going to type Control V, or we'll make sure we're putting it in the right folder, and click Save. So once we are finished with these 2 files, these are the 2 files that will get submitted to the resident engineer as a payment adjustment request. So again, you can see these 2 files. Here's the PVP file, and here's the XLSM Excel spreadsheet file. So these 2 files together, they have the same naming except for their suffix, the PVP and the XLSM. That's what you'll submit to the resident engineer as part of your payment request. That's the end of video number 5, and we'll move on to the next video.